Okay, so I just got out of the shower, I'd say like 15 to 20 minutes ago. So I think my hair has been pretty, I guess, damped up. I combed it and brushed it right before I got in the shower, and then in the shower again while I put some conditioner. So haven't done anything to it right now. I'm just gonna do it in like sections and see how it goes. All right, let's get started.
We wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts. So I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go, never gonna let you go until we're both on souls running out for love. You were there with open arms when I thought love was a lost art. If I slowly retrace, I remember days I was locked in gray and all the wild shades swim in my veins. You took them all away. There's nothing left to say. I thought I was a lost art to show me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go.
Okay, this is the final result. It's pretty good. Like, it looks pretty good, like an actual blowout. My hair is still a little bit damp, like it feels a little bit cold and damp. So I think if I had more patience to do this, I would have done it not so fast. It actually took me 20 to 25 minutes, and I only say that because I stopped a few times to like say something or whatever. But I started at 6 o'clock and it's 6:26, so 20 to 25 minutes is not bad. And I have like medium to long length hair. My hair naturally is pretty wavy slash curly sections. Like, my hair does not know what it wants to be. I have some sections that are pretty straight, some that are curly, some that are wavy, but usually like around this part of the head of the hair, I always have these like curls, and definitely at the bottom. So doing this right after, like, looks pretty good. I mean, I kind of like it quite a bit. So about the product itself, it's the Revlon all-in-one dryer. The Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Air Brush. Yes, that's what it is. I would say that a lot of hair comes out. I don't know if you can even tell from there, but there's a lot of my hair on the brush. I guess that's what happens. I wouldn't know from like when I blow dry my hair regularly. I'm not sure if all that hair comes out when I do regular blow dry. So on that note, I have no idea. But it's super lightweight. I definitely like that about that. It's like really lightweight, because if you're gonna be doing this for like 20 minutes, I get so tired of doing this with the hair dryer that my arm gets super tired. So it's pretty lightweight. That's good. It has this like the cord that it moves around, so you're not worried about it like, you know, getting tangled or whatever. So this is amazing. The cord itself is pretty long, so right now it's plugged into my wall and I'm sitting at the desk and I'm able to do it. It unplugged on me once, but I think that's because I just that was me. What else? I like that you don't feel so hot. Like when I put the blow dryer, regular blow dryer, just up here, I am literally like sweating by the time I'm done. That I'm like, okay, so now I have, great, I just washed my hair and now I have sweat in my hair again. With this one, I'm not really sweaty, like at all, and I'm wearing this sweater, which, who does that? Me. But like, it's really good when it comes to that. Like, it's really good. And then I think I mentioned it that it has 3 like settings. It has the high heat, the low heat, and the cool setting. So I use the high heat the whole time. I actually didn't even use the low at all. So I use the high heat the whole time. Obviously I section my hair. If you could section your hair even in smaller sections, you might get a better turnout. I don't know, I'm not a hairdresser, and I think that that's the whole point of this. You don't have to be a hairdresser. Maybe you need to have a little bit of background about it or know something of it, but that's about it. Besides that, I did use the cool setting after I finish each section, because I heard that, I learned at some point that once, like even with the hair dryer, you put the cool setting at the end to kind of like close it off or finish it off. I'm not sure, something like that, to kind of solidify it, like seal it. I don't know, correct me in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully you do. If not, Google it or someone tell somebody what I'm trying to say. Moving on. So yeah, at the end I just went with the cool setting all around my hair to just kind of like finish it off. And yeah, so it cost, I bought it on Amazon. I don't know where you can get it, probably Walmart. I don't know if they have it cheaper or whatever. Target, I'm sure all those places sell it. But I bought it on Amazon, and I don't know if there's a way to check if I bought it at this price. I might have bought it when there's like one of those like flash sales or flash deals, because I don't remember paying this much for it. But it's $41.88. The black color, which to me actually is the nicer one, because I like that. is cheaper than there's a pink one, and that one's like $54. So for like, you know, saving like over $10 to get the black one, I don't know, that's up to you, definitely your preference. But the reviews online are like 4.5 stars. I actually didn't read very many reviews before I bought it, if any at all. But I think, like I mentioned earlier, I don't remember, I think I said that I've used it before, but I was like in a rush, or I wasn't separating my hair and I didn't like the turnout. I was like, what the heck, for this being, you know, over $30, like it didn't do the job. But now that I decided to use it again and take my time, it's just been sitting under my counter for so long. And I don't know, I don't always blow dry my hair, but I think in the moments that like I need to do something quick with it, but I don't want to blow dry and then go back and straighten, this just does the 2-in-1. And granted, it's not like pinch straight, it didn't leave my hair pinch straight, but it's pretty straight. Like, I honestly don't think I would go back and straighten it again. I can't even see the back of my head right now, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. You guys tell me. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm definitely gonna use it again. I came into this thinking I would not recommend it, but now that I thoroughly used it and I saw the full potential, and maybe even better if I take more time, I would actually recommend it. If you're able to spend those 40 bucks on it, I would actually recommend it. But if your hair is already kind of straight like this, it's kind of pointless. This is more for, I think, people that, you know, need that straightening type of blowout. I've only gotten a blowout twice in my life, so I think, and they've both been when I got like haircuts. So I don't much remember what it feels like to get a blowout, but if it's anything like this, it's really nice. So yeah, I think that's all I really have to cover on this. If you have any questions that I maybe left out, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in another review. Bye. By the way, I love this towel. My mom brought it from Spain. Not that that has anything to do with it, but she brought it to me like years and years and years ago, and it's still working great to this day. It's like a microfiber towel, which is supposed to be good for your hair. I don't want to be like Cinderella, sitting in a dark, cold, dusty cellar, waiting for somebody to come and set me free. No one else, I'd rather rescue myself. I don't want to be like